Hello and welcome to another tech tip video by GSC. Today we are going to talk about weldment profiles. First, I'm going to show you how to download extra weldment profiles that aren't downloaded when you first install SOLIDWORKS. So here I have SOLIDWORKS open. I'm going to click on my design library, click on the drop down for SOLIDWORKS content, click on weldments, and control click to open up and download the file set. Okay, and here I already extracted the file set. I'm just going to rename the one below ISO and rename it ISO test because we want to tell the difference between the default ISO and this ISO. Here I'm just showing you the different profiles that come with this zip file. Okay, so now we're back in SOLIDWORKS. I'm going to go to my system options, file locations, and scroll down to Weldment Profiles. Here I'm going to add that location, the ISO location, and where I saved it. Click OK. Okay, so here I just have a part that we're going to add a structural member to. I'm just going to show you all of the different profiles it came with and all of the different configurations, and there's a lot compared to the default installation of SOLIDWORKS. Okay, let's say there isn't a weldment profile in any of these extra download folders. For instance, lumber. SOLIDWORKS is great for woodworking projects since it gives you a cut list. So here I'm just going to make a new part, make a new sketch. I'm just going to make some 2x4s and some configurations of that. So I'm making a center rectangle, giving it the dimensions a 2x4 would have. I'm exiting the sketch. I'm going to right click sketch 1 and configure the feature. Okay, so now we're going to click OK. I'm actually going to go back to my configurations and rename this 2x4. Here I'm just showing you that changing the dimensions in that table did work. Now we're going to want to save this sketch out into a library feature. So we're going to click on the sketch, do File, Save As. And we're actually going to go into that ISO folder. This is just one of the custom folders, and we're going to put it under Lumber. And then you're going to choose SOLIDWORKS Library Feature. And you'll see that it is a library feature with the little L next to the sketch. Okay, and here I have the part again, and I'm just going to change this to lumber. I'm going to choose part 4, and the configuration is 2x6. Select my group and select OK. And that is how you make a custom weldment profile.